here we'll start the chapter number 2. Okay, that is the whole number. Okay, so what are the numbers can include in the whole number? So whole number it's include from 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. We cannot count the numbers, but it will start from the 0. So that number is known as the whole number. And if it is asked that what is the smallest whole number, so your answer will be 0. The smallest whole number is the 0. Now let's we see the another type of number, that is the natural number. Okay, now natural number, it will start from the 1, 2, 3 and infinity, so on till the end of the number. So I hope you clear these two types of number. One is the whole number and second one is the natural number. Here the one thing you should keep it in mind, that which one is the smallest whole number is the 0 and which one is the smallest natural number is the 1. Okay students, so now let's see the another topic, that is the predecessor and successor of the any number. Now let us take an example of predecessor, how to find the predecessor. Okay, so here I am writing the predecessor. Okay, now we'll have to find out the predecessor of 15. So I have to subtract 1 from the 15 and my answer is 14. Okay, so predecessor of 15 is 14. You have to subtract 1 from the 15 either in any number, so you will get the answer. Now the successor you have to add, you have to do opposite of the predecessor. Now here I am taking the example of 15 only, and what is the successor of 15? That you have to do plus 1, so your answer will be 60. So this is all about the predecessor and successor. I hope you all get it, the predecessor and successor. Now next topic is the number line. Okay, now you will have to it means what, you will have to indicate or you have to show the number on the line. Okay, for example, this is the line and this is the starting point of the number line, and you will have mark as the 0. And similarly take 1 centimeter of distance and mark it, label it with 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, now this number line, as you here can see, it will start from the 0. So we can say this number line is consisting of the whole number. Okay, now this whole numbers are we can able to we can show on the number line. Now there is a distance, unit distance 0 and 1, it is called the unit distance. Similarly, if there is a distance between the 2 and 3, that is one is also called the unit distance, because there is a no number in between the 2 and 3. Clear? Now but if we talk about the distance between the 2 and 4, so how many numbers are there in between 2 and 4? So you can say there is a one number between the 2 and 4. Either what you will have to do, you will have to do subtraction from 4 minus 2, so you will get the 2. Clear? Now if I am asking that what is the distance between the 1 and 4, so what you will have to do, 4 minus 1, so you will get the 3. Clear? Now if I will say the if I want to do multiplication on the number line, 2 multiplied by 3, so what I need to do is I will do the jump 3 times. Okay, and then I'll get the answer 6. Clear? That we'll see later on, that how we can do the addition and subtraction, multiplication on the number line. But right now, just you need to keep it in mind that whole number we can indicate on the number line. Clear? Now you can also show the distance between the two whole number. Now another thing is, you can also make the sign between the whole number. For example, the number is 4 and 2, so which one is the bigger number? 4, obviously, right? And you all have did this in your classes also, in a previous class also, so I'm sure it is easy for you. Okay, so next exercise, that is the exercise 2.1, that you all have to solve it by your own. I will send you the solution of the exercise, because in this exercise there is a predecessor and successor is given. You will have to solve it by your own. It's too easy, and you will have to write it down, the after number and before number. That is also similar to the predecessor and the successor. If the number is before, it means what? You will have to do the subtraction. Okay, and if the number is asking from the after, then you will have to do the addition 1 in the given number. Clear? Now there are certain true false is also given, that you all have to solve. That true false is also easy to understand. Clear? So in the next class we'll study the properties of whole number, as we have to study the whole number in the detail. So we'll start from the properties of the whole number. Clear, students? So I am sending the solution of 2.1. You will have to write it down in your notebook and solve it. Till that, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you. God bless you all.